Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a division wheel. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some sturdy cardboard, perhaps 1/8 inch thick, a ruler, a compass, and a pencil. Don't forget your scissors and a brad fastener to bring it all together. Having these items ready will make the crafting process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's create the base of our division wheel. Take your compass and draw a large circle on the cardboard, aiming for about 8 inches in diameter. This will be your main wheel. Next, carefully divide this circle into 12 equal sections. You can use a protractor to ensure accuracy. Finally, label each of these 12 sections with numbers from 1 to 12. Moving on, it's time to craft the inner, rotating wheel. On a separate piece of cardboard, use your compass to draw a smaller circle, approximately 4 inches in diameter. Just like the larger wheel, divide this inner circle into 12 equal sections. This is where the fun begins. On each of these 12 sections, write a different division problem, such as 24 divided by 2 or 36 divided by 3. With both circles drawn and labeled, it's time for assembly. Carefully cut out both the large and small circles using a good pair of scissors. Now, align the exact centers of both wheels. Insert your brad fastener through the center point, securing the smaller wheel on top of the larger one. Your division wheel is complete. Rotate the inner wheel to match division problems with their correct answers on the outer wheel, making learning interactive and fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.